I bought the PuroAir 400 HEPA air purifier over a year ago, and I pretty much use it every single day in my home because it works like a champ. But after using it for so long, I do need to replace the air filter. It's super easy to replace, and in my experience, buying from the brand that manufactures the item is always best because you know that it's always going to work. In order to change the air filter, it's really simple. You can access it from the back of the air purifier device. You just simply pop off the back there and then put the new air filter right inside. You can easily then pop the back right back on there. I love that this comes in a 1 or a 2-pack. I bought a 2-pack because I know I'm going to need it eventually. And the great thing about this air purifier is that it will tell you when you need a new filter. I would highly recommend getting the PuroAir replacement filters if you have a PuroAir air purifier. They've been working great for me, doing exactly what they're supposed to be doing. Highly recommend.